Where'd they go? Oh, wait. They're already on the bike. What's up, guys? Today, I'm going to show you how to install these right here. The LoneRider auxiliary lights. So I'm going to show you guys the easy way to install the headlights on a BMW 1250 GSA. Now this is my 2023 BMW GSA, and I looked at a few videos online on how to install these lights, and a lot of the videos told me to take like the entire back of the motorcycle apart, including the luggage racking, the seats, everything. So I found a cheat, and I'm going to show you guys. Alright, you guys, so I just took the back seats off, and back here is where your CAN bus system goes, or your easy CAN goes to connect to your CAN bus system. Let me get my light out so I can show you. So in here, this connector right here was connected to this little, I think it's just a plastic bracket. I don't even think there's anything connected to it. So I unplugged that, connected the easy CAN to that connector. Here, and then connected the white wire, which is this one. I don't know if you can see it. The white wire right here to the actual lights. Now, on the left side of the motorcycle, I ran all the wires underneath this whole bracket. Now where I put it. And I used a zap strap with some electrical tape and fed the zap strap through. So if you feed the zap strap through, it pulls through right here, right underneath everything, and made my life so much easier than having to take all of this off just to run these two wires. So then when you run your power wire, I just ran the power wire down through the body right here between the frames, underneath here and under this cover until the battery. So you only need a T25 Torx to unscrew this. Let's see if I can. So underneath the battery here, connect it to your battery, and that's all I had to do for that. Super easy, saved me a ton of time. Let's get this back on. Honestly, the only thing that was really super time consuming about this whole thing was taking the tank cover off. Got these two screws down here. You have to undo the tank. These two screws here underneath your little glove compartment. I guess you'd call it, not really a glove compartment, a little storage compartment. And then there's three T25 Torx right here, and this whole thing lifts off. And I ran that wire up through here, along, down, and under the front side here, through here, and I just ran the wires kind of down and kind of, I still need to zap strap this one up just so it's kind of just up and out of the way. But I ran this wire up. There's a little hole right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's up there. Ran it through there, connected it, and I was done for the wiring. And then when I connected the lights, I connected them here to the crash bar and just put the L bracket sideways this way and put it all together. You do have to take off this bracket off the light in order to do up these two bolts, but that's really easy to do. They give you the little wrench, which is this little guy right here. It's basically undo those 4 screws on each, or 2 screws on each side, and you're done. And then you just bolt this on. You do want to leave either this bracket just a little bit loose so you can get your spot beam aligned later when you go to align the lights. If you guys want, I can do a video on that. It's a little bit complicated when you do with one person. It's easier if you have 2 people. But yeah, this was really actually super easy. I thought it was going to be a lot more complicated than it was. But yeah. So after you've got your lights installed, you need to connect the USB cable to your computer, either by USB-C or it gives you the USB-A adapter. And then it will detect that you're connected to the white circuit. And then you can go ahead and turn your motorcycle on. Now the lights won't come on with the ignition off right away. So these are just the daytime running lights right now with the ignition on. So those are even still pretty bright, even just in the daylight. I haven't even adjusted them yet. Come here, go daylight intensity for the auxiliary lights, or the wide beam here. We can turn that down, turn that to 50%. Right. Don't really want to be blinding people at nighttime. Put that up to 50. Day we can make a little brighter. But yeah, guys, this was super easy to install. I think the whole thing done in under an hour, to be honest. It took me no time at all after running the wires down here. Super easy. Hardest part was going to be getting them adjusted later, but we'll just get out and do a little test. I've got them pointed so they're at least not so in someone's face when I'm riding, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, here you go, guys. Here's a quick little test of the high beams at night. It's a little too cold outside to be riding now. down to down to 2 degrees right now, and got a little snowflake off the bike, so won't be doing any test rides right now because I know it's going to get frosty in about an hour. But here's the high beam that I need to adjust. I can only do it when the bike's running.